friends, thank you for joining me. In today's presentation, we'll continue with our coordinate geometry 1, that is straight line. With us here is question example 3. Let's look at how we can handle this. The question reads, the midpoint of the point M, that is 4, 1, and M, x, y is given as 2, minus 4. We are asked to find the coordinate of n. What will be the value of x and y respectively? Let's look at how we can handle this. First thing to do is to write down the solution. Let's write down the solution and recall the midpoint formula, which is given as m into x, y equal x2 plus x1 divided by 2 all in square bracket, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. We close the bracket. This is a square bracket. So this is the general formula for midpoint between 2 points. Let's illustrate this. We have points M and P. The midpoint is given as P. So P will be the midpoint of this line. Then we have M here, and we have M. The coordinate of M is 4, 1. The midpoint is 2, minus 4. And the coordinate of N is x, y. So it means this will be our x1, that's the starting point, and then y1. Then we have x2 here, y2 here, respectively. So it's just a question of us substituting these parameters into this formula and solve for the value of x and y. Let's look at how we can do that. From the question, the midpoint is 2, minus 4. So we'll have 2, minus 4 will be equals to our x2. x2 is x, that will be x plus x1, which is 4, divided by 2, y2, our y2 is y, plus y1, which is 1, that's plus 1 divided by 2. Next is for us to relate this just by comparing, because this is x and this is y. Very important. Okay? It means x plus 4 divided by 2 will be equals to 2. Let's solve for x. This over 1, we cross multiply. 1 times x plus 4, it will be x plus 4 equal 2 times 2, of course, is 4. Next is to collect like terms. This is x now will be equals to 4. This is plus 4. Crossing this inequality sign or equal sign, it will be minus 4. X now will be equals to 0. We have solved for x. Let's look at how we can solve for y. Because we are asked to find the coordinate of n, that is x and y, and we know our x are 0. Let's move here to solve for y now. Y plus 1 now divided by 2 will be equals to minus 4. This is divided by 1 because any whole number has a denominator of 1. So at this point we cross multiply. 1 multiplied by y plus 1, that will be y plus 1 will be equals to 2 times minus 4, that will be minus 8. Next we collect like time. This will be y will be equals to minus 8 minus 1. Y now will be equals to minus 9. Finally, let's move here. The coordinate of n now, because we are asked to find the coordinate of n. The coordinates of n will be x now is 0, that will be 0, y is minus 9. So this will be the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. In my next video, God's willing, we'll look at more examples under this coordinate geometry. We have been looking at midpoint and distance between 2 points. Thank you for watching.